How to appear offline on Roblox. So if you want to appear offline on your Roblox, then first you need to open up your Roblox application, or you can simply go with your browser and you can open up your Roblox under your browser. So simply open up your browser. I'm using a Chrome browser. Once you open the browser, now you can simply go for the roblox.com, or you can go for Roblox, and then you need to log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, you need to go for settings, which is on the upper right. Once you click on settings, you will have again settings option. Click on settings. Once you click on settings, now under your settings, you will have this privacy option. Go for the privacy, which is on the third option. And then if you scroll down here, you need to turn off your communication. And under this who can message me, you need to click no one. And then who can text chat with me in the application, click on no one. And then who can text chat with me, you can choose no one. And once you've chosen all of that, now here under who can make me a member of their private server, you need to choose no one. And then who can join me in experiences, click on no one again. And who can see my inventory, you can again click on no one. So once you've chosen everything to no one, now you need to simply toggle off this option also. Once you've chosen all of that, now your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can be offline on your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.